I really didn't like this keyboard. It's just been 1 week that I've been using this keyboard and it stopped working. There are many keys which are not working and I can see laggings. For example, this is the notepad, you can see, right? My R or T is not working most of the time. So this is my T button. I'll click on T and you can see it doesn't show up. Now if I click multiple times, then it will show up. I'll give the space and I'll again, that's working. Let me press R. Now R has also the lagging. Now let me press T. T is not working. Now it's working. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me press R. 2 didn't work. 3 worked. 4 worked. 5 worked. 6 worked. 7, 8, 9. 9 didn't work. 10 worked. 11 worked. 12 worked. 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 didn't work. Similarly for T. 3, 4 didn't work. No, I hate this. This is stupid. Don't buy this Logitech one. This is the model G213. Don't buy it.